forgot to order the shirts. The event is tomorrow.
Talk to Mr. Last Minute over here.
I thought we were going for the minimalist wardrobe approach.
Well, I hope you're ready to face the music. And by music, I mean a lot of shirtless karaoke.
Okay, I need bulk fast shirt printing now. But all these places are too slow or too pricey.
Wait, I've heard of this one. Boltprinting.com. They've got the fastest shirt printing on earth.
Wonder if they have a Save My Job express delivery option.
With their next day turnaround, who needs one?
Hello, Bolt Printing? We're in a jam here.
Under budget and fabulous. Thanks, Bolt Printing, for turning last-minute blunders into legendary wins.
And making forgetful guys like me look good.
Looks like you went from 0 to shirt hero. But let's not do this again. Next time, remember, for fast and fabulous shirts, just bolt it.